Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice. And as the part of exercise, let me grab the table topic for today. The table topic for today is nationalism fuels wars. Nationalism fuels wars. This topic is controversial, and even though it's controversial, I would put my perspective on it without uh, without getting the feel that I would be judged on it or not. So the way I see it, nationalism, we are thinking about nationalism a very different way. There are people who are very nationalistic and there are people who are not nationalistic. There are some people, they just put these people into just two baskets. It's not like that. And when we go deeper about the nationalism, we find something very interesting that nationalism or any kind of belief that you have is that you have faith in something, right? But even though if you have faith, then it doesn't mean that you're bound to do wrong things or maybe things which cost lives of people. For example, in the same way, we can say that the religion fuels force, but it's not like that, right? So we have to think about it again when we take a very hard stance that nationalism fuels wars, religion fuels wars. It's not like that. We need to go deeper and question our beliefs. Even though, and the time to time things change, the environment changes, and that's how we also should change our beliefs. When we go back to olden times, we find that nationalism was very essential to live a life. It was very important for a nation to survive because they were getting attacked. And if people do not have a nationalism, if they do not believe in nationalism, they will be attacked or they won't survive or they will find in scenarios which is not good for all of them. So that's why the nationalism belief came into existence. And now the things have changed, so there is no need to take a very hard stance that uh, not to, I would say the hard stance. I would say that we need to question our beliefs. The things that we believed around like 100 or 500 years ago, if they are true in today's scenario as well, right? It doesn't mean that the 500 years we fought wars, now we should fought wars. Because over the period of time, we have become intelligent. We have come to realize the cost of wars as well. It's not the only defeating nation loses, even the winning nation in the war also loses as well. So, coming back to the point that I do not believe that nationalism fuels wars. We need to revisit our junction beliefs that were true around like hundreds of years ago. And we need to redefine the nationalism. We need to look at a very different way. That's it. Thank you. Over to you.